Today, Councilman Stokes led a protest against the Jackson gun show taking place at the fairgrounds. 12 News' Gary Burton explains why Stokes feels gun shows leads to an influx of crime.
No justice! No peace! No
this chant was repeated multiple times while the gun show took place inside the Mississippi Coliseum. Councilman Stokes says to have a gun show in Jackson is simply not good.
It's not good in this city to have gun shows and you have armed robberies taking place. We want to send a message to the state of Mississippi that we are not satisfied with these gun shows taking place on state-owned property.
Gun shows are banned in the city of Jackson, but this gun show was able to continue because it's on state property.
Guns, guns, guns. Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Stokes says he sees it as the elected state officials supporting death of black people in Jackson.
It's hatred for black people and it's racism against black people. If we had a record number of whites getting killed in this state, especially in this city, you wouldn't see these gun shows taking place.
With nearly 80 homicides so far this year in the capital city, protester Earl Johnson says taking away weapons has to be a priority.
People from the Bible said, no weapon formed against me shall profit, but the weapons that these people are having are forming against them, and they're not opening their eyes and realizing that.
Stokes says there is a relationship between the increased crime rate and these shows because more people are able to access weapons.
It's not generating a lot of money to have these gun shows here in this city, and we know these gun runners are buying these guns at these gun shows, coming in these neighborhoods and putting them out here almost absolutely free. You got teenagers with guns now. It's against the law for them to even possess guns.
No justice! No peace!
As the chants continued, one man leaving the gun show said it isn't the guns that are the problem. It's the lack of people who has yet to find Jesus. Reporting in Jackson, I'm Gary Burton with 12 News.
Now, we've reached out to Mississippi Agriculture Commissioner Andy Gibson for his statement, but we haven't heard back as of showtime.